Monte Carlo simulations provide powerful approximations, but they also introduce errors. Understanding how to measure accuracy and convergence is essential for reliable results. 1. Sources of Monte Carlo error. Monte Carlo methods rely on randomness, which introduces two main types of errors. Statistical random error. Since Monte Carlo simulations use random sampling, every estimate has some variability. This error decreases as we increase the number of samples. Systematic bias error. Bias occurs when there is an underlying issue in the sampling method. For example, using a poor random number generator can lead to inaccurate results. 2. Measuring accuracy. The accuracy of a Monte Carlo estimate depends on how close it is to the true value. We measure accuracy using standard error SE. The standard error tells us how much our estimate is expected to fluctuate. It is proportional to 1 by squared n, where n is the number of samples. More samples mean lower standard error and better accuracy. Confidence intervals. Confidence intervals provide a range where the true value is likely to be found. A 95% confidence interval means that if we repeated the experiment multiple times, the true value would be inside the interval 95% of the time. 3. Understanding convergence. Monte Carlo simulations converge when additional samples no longer significantly change the estimate. Convergence is analyzed using variance reduction techniques. Methods like importance sampling and control variates help speed up convergence. Graphing the running estimate. Plotting the estimate over time shows if it is stabilizing or fluctuating too much. A stable estimate indicates good convergence. 4. Key takeaways. Monte Carlo simulations have random and systematic errors. More samples reduce error, but understanding variance and convergence is crucial. Confidence intervals help quantify the accuracy of an estimate. Monitoring convergence ensures reliable results. Monte Carlo simulations are powerful, but analyzing error is key to making them trustworthy and effective.